Angami party start hoile. Question ekta ase. Pork ase niki, Moudi ase niki, Zoto ase niki, Judy ase. Then I'm coming. Wedding ho, feast ho, any celebration, Angami style, full preparation. Kitchen side the smoke uti jai. Porco smell te ow, atom bomb hoi jai. Big pot boil firewood flame. Grandma recipe, no one same. Everyone wait with empty plate. Kitty are ready, cannot wait. First bite, pork soft and juicy. Second bite, oh, too tasty. Then comes Moudi, slowly flows. Auto follow, steady go. Angami party, full set vibe. Pork, Moudi, Zoto, unite the tribe. Bamboo cup, no empty plate, no dry. Eat and drink till morning sky. From Kohima hills to village land, laughter loud on every hand. If you come, you understand. This is life, Angami land. Bride and groom looking all shy, but outside friends already high. Dance floor open, slippers lost. No one care about the cost. Uncle singing old school song, auntie laughing all along. One more pork, just small piece, but refill coming without cease. Last cup Zoto,
Everyone say
but last cup never.
comes that way.
Night become early morn, still party on like just begun. Angami party, oh what a scene. Best food that you've ever seen. Pork so soft, melt like dream. Moudi, Zoto, perfect team. No VIP, no high or low, all same when drinks will flow. Together laugh, together stand. That's the heart of Angami land.
Diet plan cancel today. Angami feast, no control, okay.
Gym tomorrow, today just eat pork and rice, perfect treat. Zoto power, smooth but deep. After some time you talk, no keep Eve. But nobody judging here, just more food and more cheer. Angami party, shout it loud. Tradition make the people proud. Pork, Moudi, Zoto, legend trio. Once you try, you never say no. If you come, you won't forget. Best memories you will get. From the hills we always stand, proud to be Angami land.